Hello, welcome to today's video where we will be taking a look at this tough math problem. How many 5-digit positive integers exist where the digits are non-increasing from left to right? For example, 87,743 and 10,000 fulfill the conditions, while 78,987 and 33,429 do not. Now, let us first consider what the condition that the digits are non-increasing from left to right implies about our number. Let's say that it has a first digit of value d1, second digit of value d2, third digit of value d3, then d4, and d5. So because the digits are non-increasing from left to right, we know that D2, D3, D4, and D5 must all be greater than or equal to D1. And because D1 must be at least 1, or else it wouldn't be a 5-digit number, all 5 of these digits must be greater than or equal to 1. Moreover, we know that the maximum value of any digit is 9. So we can write the following inequality. 1 is less than or equal to D1, less than or equal to D2, which is less than or equal to D3, so on, so forth. Okay. And given this inequality right here, there's no clear way to count the number of combinations for these digits. It seems like we would have to do casework based on what the value of the first digit is. But even after you do that, calculating each of those cases is no easy feat in itself. You can try that method in your own time, but today I will show you a different way that will allow you to solve this question in no more than a minute. The key is to look at the difference between each of these digits, not the digits themselves. So let us call the difference between 1 and D1A, the difference between D1 and D2B. Then we have C, D, E, and F. So we know that each of these differences must all sum together to make the difference between the first digit, which is 1, and the last digit, 9. So we know that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F must be equal to 9 minus 1, which is just 8. Now, if this form right here looks familiar to you, that's because it's the base form for stars and bars. In this case, we have to split up this difference of 8 between 6 locations. 6 locations indicates 5 bars. So this can be calculated as 8 plus 5, choose 5. This is equal to 13, choose 5. And if we solve this out, we get 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 in the numerator. And then we get in the denominator 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 cancels out with 12. 5 times 2 cancels out with 10, leaving us with 13 times 11 times 9, which is just 99. Then 99 is just 100 minus 1. So we can then calculate this as 13 times 100, which is 1300. minus 13 times 1, which is 13. And that gives us our answer of 1,287. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a good day.